Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today video we are design a hero section for your WordPress site. Okay, let's jump into the video. तो मैले चाहिँ यस्तो टाइपको हिरो सेक्सन चाहिँ डिजाइन गरेको थिएँ. तो आज हामीले यसैलाई डिजाइन गर्ने छौं. तो पहिला चाहिँ म एडिट पेज गएर मैले चाहिँ हिरो सेक्सन सम्बन्धी अर्को भिडियो पनि बनाएको छु. हजुरले च्यानलमा गएर पनि चेक आउट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. तो पहिला मैले यसलाई डिलिट गरिदिन्छु. Okay. Here I can add a block. I can remove all the block. Okay. This also. Now I can add a new block. Now first I can add a heading. I can enter my name and text alignment is center, and now I can increase the font around 55 and transform uppercase and change font into all style. Now it looks good. I can change font size is 60 and that's it, and remove the margin and I can change the first name color and it should be pink. This is my theme color, and now I can add a bottom line is to be center and change the color of line is pink. Now I can add another block and here I can add a text block and write blogging and digital marketing. Center the font and the font size should be in around 35 and the transform should be uppercase. Theme style all style and the weight should be around 60. Now I can just decrease the font size 27 and it should be okay. Now I can add a short description about my site. I already copy the text, so I can easily paste it. Now center the font text and increase size around 17, 20, bold some font text, and it looks good. Okay, now I can add a input box so user can easily search your blog. So I can add another block, type search, and here is the search widget, and place on center. It should be center, and remove this search label, and here is some option. That's it. And here you can give a width of input 600 pixel, and the type placeholder, and now I can it should be large, so I can search it also large, so I can change into a percent 75, and input box should be in center. Okay, now I can add a button, so add another widget called button. Now type and center the button, center it, give a icon. Here is the style. First select a button, so you can change its typography and other option. I can search blogging, and now here is the option of typography. Font weight should be 600, and theme should be all style font. Now I can also give some hover effect, so hover effect should be scale. It looks good. Okay, so I can also add a shadow, increase the blur effect, and I can decrease the opacity. Now most of the work is finished, so I can give some beautiful background. Just I can select the column and go to style, background, and select background image, I can already make it, so I can just simply select. Okay, the input is looking so I can give some border one, and just I can add some color and decrease the opacity so it can be visual. Okay, I can check it, and now I can see the result. Okay, here is some problem, and I can also increase the font of name, typography 17. Okay, this increase the space between the name and the niche. Okay, it looks fine, and here I can change the width of input. It cannot work properly, so I can add 600 pixel and give some space between button and input, and simply search spacer and adjust according your need. So it looks 50 should be good. Just I can simply save it and let's check the result. Okay, it looks good. आजको भिडियोमा यति नै, फेरि मिल्नेछौँ अर्को भिडियोमा। हस्त नमस्ते।